Hey, welcome back to Quiz Panther. Think you can guess the smartphone just by hearing its ringtone? You've got 40 questions and 10 seconds to lock in each answer. So listen closely and play smart. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a single quiz drop. Alright, let's dive into the sound challenge. Let's hear the first ringtone. Can you guess the brand? Idea of the brand? That's right, Samsung never misses. Alright, what phone does this sound belong to? Trust your ears. Of course, it's the legend, Nokia. Sounds familiar? Lock in your guess. Exactly. That crisp tone belongs to Apple. Okay, next one. Which phone is ringing now? Does that sound familiar? Oppo. Would you rather rock an iPhone or team up with Samsung? Drop your answer in the comments. Here comes another. Guess the brand. You've heard this one, right? That retro vibe, pure Sony Ericsson. What phone are we hearing this time? Vivo. That one was easy, or was it? Yep, Huawei's ringtone hits different. Let's test your ringtone radar again. Still guessing? That clean tone, straight from Google Pixel. Next up, do you know this one? Lock in your answer. Show me it is. Okay, smart ears, guess this tone.
Hello, Moto.
It's Moto time, classic Motorola. One of these doesn't belong. Can you spot the odd one out? Yep, that's the sneaky imposter. Which phone do you think this is? Need a hint? Too bad. That one's HTC, smooth and sharp. Let's see if you recognize this sound. Infinix. Alright, listen close. What's your guess? Almost there? Old but gold. That's LG for sure. Can you name the phone from this? What's your gut say? OnePlus. You've heard this before, but where? That subtle chime, totally Microsoft. Here's the next one. Guess smart. Come on, you got this. Realme. Which brand rings like this? Business vibes only. It's BlackBerry. Would you rather go with OnePlus or Xiaomi? Drop your pick in the comments. All right, Ringtone Pro, try this one. Final guess? That tone? Yep, it's Lenovo calling. This one's tricky. Think fast. Techno. Boom! Next tone is coming in hot. It's Honor. Keep going. Guess this one. Feels like 2005 again. Classic ringtone. Okay, ears on. What's that brand? This one's tricky. Gioni. One of these logos doesn't fit. Can you spot the odd one out? Boom! That's the one that stands out. Guess the phone. You got this. That sound means it's quiz time. You guessed it, it's modern Sony. Sounds like your phone? ZTE. Let's go. Who made this tone? That high-tech ring, pure Asus style. Sound check. What phone is that? Don't overthink it. Coolpad. This tone, familiar or fake?
Hello.
Too cute to miss. Hello Kitty it is. Would you rather choose Oppo or Honor? Tough call, but I'd go with Oppo. Those ringtones hit different. Your ears will know this one. Could be a throwback. Micro Max. Guess time. Which ringtone is this? You heard it right. It's Gabe's sound drop. Stay sharp. The next ringtone is here. You're right, it's Alcatel. Ready? Guess the phone behind this. Are you sure about that? A blast from the past, Siemens Classic. One of these doesn't belong. Can you spot the odd one out? You nailed it. That logo doesn't dial in. This ringtone's calling. Who is it? In text. Quick guess, which brand's this? Feels too easy, right? That jingle? It's definitely Panasonic. Final ringtone. Give it your best shot. That ring? Lava's own signature tone. Get right. Drop your score in the comments. If you had fun, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Panther challenge. Now tap the video on the screen to watch another epic quiz. You don't want to miss it.